That city over there is New Bern, North Carolina, our home port for SV Freya. Everyone knows we travel almost full time, but when we are at home, this is our home, Bridgeton Harbor Marina. Beautiful and safe. After a few days at the marina, we decided to go to Flanners Beach Campground to hike and look for mushrooms. Be careful of mushrooms that look like this. It might make you lose your mind. We had a very interesting day. We found lots of mushrooms that we could not identify, so we gathered some up and carried them back to the RV to identify later. Of course, if you recognize any of these mushrooms, please let us know what they are. It's great hiking and finding mushrooms, but if we don't find anything, we really just like to hike anyway. Walk this way a little while, turn around and walk back the other way a little while. That's nice. QP has learned how to use fallen trees to get over the nasty stuff. And oftentimes the fallen trees are the ones that have the mushrooms on them. This little American knoll is trying to get the last sunshine of summer. We've collected a lot of mushrooms. Let's go back to the RV and see if we can find out what they are. What did you do today?
We are walking in the forest and wandering in everywhere, and we pick up all kinds of mushrooms. We want to learn what kind of mushroom we can eat.
Second day, same as the first. Well, not exactly the same. Today we found the world's smallest pine cone. More unknown mushrooms. This one is used in traditional Chinese medicine, but we don't know what it treats. 我的老婆太漂亮了. This is the mushroom we have been searching for, white oyster, and boy did we find a bunch of it. QP has no limit when it comes to searching for mushrooms. She's going to walk out over the swamp on that stick to get those mushrooms. She made it to the safety of a tree. Very nice. I don't think she can see the end of the tree shaking. Is this what you got from walking out on the tree?
Yes.
Let me see.
It's beautiful. See that?
Boy, they are in good shape.
Uh-huh.
Very nice. What did you do this morning?
Did you see what we're doing?
You picked up enough mushrooms for 3 families.
Yeah, I know today is so successful. I'm so excited.
Chicken and mushroom soup with our besties. And we also got to saute and try some new mushrooms we've never had before. Our time in the USA has come to an end. It's time to start making our way back to the Dominican Republic. First step, Greyhound bus to Charlotte. Voting is so important that we scheduled our flight back to Dominican Republic after the first day of early voting. And I helped Shishi register to vote next Thursday. Will and Shishi are currently living in the building on the left in the penthouse, but they're planning to have a family, so they're building a house out in the country. We prepared 3 different styles of crab cakes for testing, and of course we prepared some oyster mushrooms. Then QP decided to cut up the lingzi, the Chinese medicine, for tea. Our time in America has come to an end. We want to thank all of our friends and family for making a great visit, and especially for Will for running us to the airport.